See, Muda issue, there was a adjournment motion which was totally not in conformity with the rules of the conduct of business of the Legislative Assembly or Legislative Council. Not only that, they were trying to politicize things. It was unfortunate. And I am asking you about this Muda. We have already appointed, the Chief Minister has taken a decision to appoint inquiry commission headed by a High Court retired judge. That is one of the big decision that is taken. When the decision for appointing an inquiry commission is made, how come these people want to discuss that subject? What do you ultimately want?